Today I'm going to show you how to insert a sparkline on Microsoft Excel. So we select the range of data and press Control Q. Go over to Sparklines and click Line. So I've got my sparkline now, but let's say I wanted to see the highest point and lowest point on the sparklines represented. So I'll click on the sparkline and then click High Point where it says Show and Low Point. Now, let's say I wanted to see a bit of colour on the high point and change that to green because it's red at the minute, so I want a different colour. So go over to marker colour and click on green. Now, let's say I have got the wrong sales in September and it was meant to be 82. So, as you see there, if you looked at the spark line, it actually changed. I had 2 green points. I've changed it now and you've only got 1 green point. So that's a quick introduction to sparklines on Microsoft Excel. I hope that helped. Have a little play around with it, and I'll see you for the next one.